Let's go. We got a beautiful Lethbridge pork rack today. So we were given this from Maple Leaf Foods. It looks like an 8-bone pork rack. We're going to take it, we're going to French it, and we're also going to make some Frenched pork chops. So let's get her open. Lethbridge pork is supposed to be a Canadian version of Nagano pork or American Berkshire pork. It's supposed to be a lot more marbled than regular. And let's see what it looks like. So when we're Frenching a pork rack, what we're going to do is we're going to make a cut along here. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And we're going to take the meat right off the bones. So you can expose the bone. What you're going to do, you're going to be able to see here how sharp that knife is. Oof. Don't want to mess with that. When you're Frenching, you just cut the meat out in between the bones, and what we'll do is we'll use the knife to scrape the bones and make them clean, give you the best presentation. So when you've cooked your rack or you've got your pork chops, you'll see just that beautiful bone exposed. When I take the knife, you can just take the end right off of it. Because this knife is so sharp, you got to be very careful. It's a beautiful brand new knife given to us by Bruce Robinson. An amazing knife maker. As you scrape it, you see how clean you're going to get it. Once it's cooked, all these bones will be beautifully exposed. Going to have a great look to it. If you want to have a nice fancy dinner, this is how you do it. Make it look incredible. All right, so you see we've got a beautiful French pork rack here. What we're going to do is we'll cut a couple of French chops. Look at that. Look at how beautiful it looks. Season them up, a bit of salt, pepper, oil, garlic. Do them up on the barbecue. And then if you got a couple of guests over, you got a nice little French pork rack ready to go.